We have to find the biggest number that can divide 42, 56 and 70. So we find the HCF of 42, 56 and 70. We will use prime factorization for each of the numbers. So 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. (56) can be written as 2 power 3 into 7. 70 can be written as 2 into 5 into 7. Required HCF is 2 into 7, so required HCF is 14. So this means 14 teachers each can be seated at one table. For 42 teachers in maths, we require 42 by 14 equal to 3 tables. For 56 physics teachers, we require 56 by 14 equal to 4 tables. And for 70 chemistry teachers, we require 70 by 14 equal to 5 tables. So minimum number of tables equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 12 tables.